A nice place for weekend getaway or longer stay. I would like to recommend this place as the property is beautiful and surrounded by scenic views and peaceful area. Should give a try. 5/5. Excellent experience. Overall it was amazing experience. Great supporting staff, tasty food, nice and clean rooms. Kids liked lawn and play area. Nice valley view. Really enjoyed my stay. Exceptional excellent hotel. Cleaned and hygienic. Awesome breakfast. Helpful staff. Overall stay is wonderful. Nice location and service. It was a nice experience. We enjoyed the property. HotelATG bed them all Gedagangspunkt for it Oplive Shimla. Overall the best of the best, superb hospitality. The manager and the staff all are very respectful. Mr. Tahur the best man. Will visit again. Good staff, good food, nice location. Behavior of staff is very good, very humble and helpful in nature. Good room, ours don't have view but room was good, no problem of any kind, secure parking. Nice garden, nice lounge, nice place, very nice property with best of the views, location and nice outdoor area to sit and enjoy your time. Facilities are VFM. Must stay. We stayed for 2 days. It was an amazing experience. They even upgraded our room at 2 for free. The staffs, the ambience, the view all were top class. Red heart emoji, red heart emoji, red heart emoji. Nice hotel, great place to stay with courteous staff. Excellent heritage hotel. Initially it's looked like an old building but actual fact is it's a heritage house constructed around 1902. The maintenance of rooms, hygiene and soft nature of staff is absolutely amazing. The food is also great. Great food and silent place. Food was very tasty. I don't like noisy place. It's calm and silent place. Very nice and peaceful place. I loved the location and room size. It was amazing. When I was passing the crowd of Shimla city I was worried if I will get a parking or not, but I did get easily within hotel. Overall amazing experience if you don't want crowded place.